good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Yeah? You sure? All right, that's good. Okay, so today it's just going to be a really quick video because as per usual, I'm running behind and all the things I plan to do, you know, life, work, all that kind of thing. Right, so today I'm going to be doing two things. I decided to purchase one of the Asos beauty boxes. They do these beauty boxes. I think they still do them every month. I haven't really been checking, to be honest. And the boxes normally cost £12, and you'll get sort of like 4 or 5 items inside the box. Within the box you might get 1 or 2 items that are full size, and the box will normally be a lot more in value than the £12 that you pay. So I don't know what I was doing, but on Sunday I just happened to be just going through Asos. I think I was looking for sort of just summer clothes for my daughter. I was looking for summer dresses for my daughter, really. And I thought, oh yeah, the beauty boxes, let me see if they've got anything, because it's still the beginning of the month, because the boxes tend to come out at the beginning of the month, and if they're a good box they'll sell out really quickly. So I had a quick look, and the £12 box was, I think it was very much festival based, not something I was interested in. Lots of sort of bright pigments and things and face paints kind of things. I wasn't interested in that. But there was also another box there which cost £18, which I was more interested in, and I think there was one particular product in there. I think it was a skincare body moisturizer. I literally can't remember what was in it, but there was one item in it and I thought, oh, I wouldn't mind having that, and that had a value of £26. So I thought, right, the box costs £18. I'm getting a body, I'm pretty certain it was a body moisturizer, full size, cost £26 if you was to buy it separately. Right, that's a good deal for me, so I decided to purchase the box. So this is it here. It came, no, it was on Saturday when I did this. The box came on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and I'm finally just getting around to open it. So I'm just going to open up the box now. And then at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is sort of announce my giveaway. I did say I did a giveaway in June. I said the giveaway would end on the last day of June, so that was June the 30th. And I said I was going to have a look, pick out the winner on July the 1st. Yeah, me being me, I didn't get around to it, so I'm doing it today. So I have picked out, I've written down all the names of the people who are eligible for the giveaway. So basically those that are public subscribers. So what I normally do when I do a giveaway, I do check to make sure someone is a public subscriber, and what I do, I'll put a heart on their name. But on the day that I'm doing a selection, I go back and check to see that person is still subscribed and still the public subscriber. And you'd be surprised, when I went through the list just now, there were 2 people who I'd originally given a heart to say that they were subscribers. Suddenly they're not subscribers anymore, and this is just it. It's those people who I want to weed out those people who decide they want to sign up to my channel just to enter a giveaway, and when their names are announced or they don't get picked, they unsubscribe. I haven't got time for that. I really haven't. I really just want to sort of reward people who are loyal to my channel, because I don't film very often. Obviously, I'm not a big YouTube content creator, so I'm not making money from the channel. I literally, if anything, I just about cover my shipping expenses from the stuff I get from America, and that's about it. That's what I get each month. So I don't make any money from it. I literally just do this content creation because it's fun, and I like to chat about makeup and beauty, all that sort of stuff. That's all it is. It's a little hobby for me. Right, so before I do the giveaway and announce that, this is the box. So this is the Asos box, and this one costs £18. It's still available, because I did check on the website. It's still available. So let's have a quick look. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Just drop the card. They've got a little card here. It's face and body. Yep, and the theme was Hot Glow Summer. It says here, are you ready to start romanticizing your life? Because summer is here. Sunny days, dancing, healthy skin, sigh. Seriously, it's all gonna glow off, especially with the skincare selects from iconic brands such as Sunday Riley, Elemis and more. So I'm just going to leave it at that because they start going into all the product details. Anything in here that I decide I might not want to keep, I will put it in a giveaway, but I literally can't remember what the products were. So this is the products that I was most interested in, and it's from Caudalie, and it's a Vino Source Hydra Mask Creme Hydratant. Oh no, it was a moisturizing mask, right? This is it. And this product, if I remember correctly, it costs £26. The box costs £18. I've got Asos Premier delivery, so I've got it next day delivery. So for me, I made my money. Got a nice mask. I do like receiving masks. I do love a mask. I've got a whole load of them. So I've got masks for various reasons. So I've got a mask for detoxifying, usually sort of my charcoal based mask because I've got very oily skin. So I'll get my charcoal based ones, clarifying masks, and then occasionally I will use a hydrating moisturizing mask because my skin does get dry, so I need to balance it out. So here we are. So I've got that, and this is the main reason why I got this box. Everything else is just extra. Yep, so that's the main product, and if I believe it's £26. When I put this video up, I will put a picture of it and the price of the product up on the screen. I might do it as a split screen thing. The other thing in this box was a little sample of something, and this is from Lancaster Sun Beauty Sublime Tan Face Cream SPF 30. Sublime Tan. Oh dear, what's that then? Let's have a look. So does it say face cream SPF 30, high protection, water resistant, and it's clean, ocean friendly? So that's what it looks like. So it's only a little thing. It's like 15 mils probably. Oh, it's only 3 mils, so it's tiny. It's a tiny little thing. I'm just going to open it up just to see what it is. God, it really is tiny. Okay, look at this little itty bitty thing. There you go. I'm going to put that in my giveaway box because I have got SPFs which I'm sort of happy with, so that's cool. Then we've got this from Elemis. Oh, this is from Elemis, and it's a superfood AHA glow cleansing butter. Oh, it's like a cleansing butter. Oh, interesting. This comforting cleansing butter infused with fermented pumpkin enzyme and AHAs removes all makeup and leaves skin feeling nourished with a healthy glow. So massage into dry skin and rinse with warm water, or apply to a cotton pad and wipe gently over face and eyes. Okay, oh, I'll give this a go. I love a cleansing, but I'm very much into cleansing oils and cleansing balms. So this is a cleansing butter, so I will give this a go, see what this is like. So definitely keeping that. Cool, something new to try. 2 more items here. Then we've got oh, this is from Sol de Janeiro, and it's a Bum Bum body scrub. You know I'm not into body scrubs at all, but I love the Bum Bum cream. I love the cream of this, but this is a body scrub. I'm not into it at all, so I'll probably put this in my little giveaway as well. Yep, so that's cool. So that's those two. And then the final product is the one from Sunday Riley, and it's a CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum with 15% advanced vitamin C to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and boost vital skin bounce. Okay, I have got some Sunday Riley products upstairs and I haven't used them. And I made a big deal of getting them as well from Ipsy, BoxyCharm, wherever. So they're upstairs, full-size items, and I just haven't used them as yet. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because I've got quite a few vitamin C products and serums and stuff. Do I really need this? I probably don't, to be honest. So I'm going to put that in a giveaway as well. I mean, it probably would go well with the Sunday Riley products I've got upstairs, but I haven't started using them yet. I've had them for God knows how long. Let me put this in the giveaway. I'm sure it'll turn up again at some point. So this is also going in the giveaway. All right. So the products I'm putting in the giveaway are these three. So we've got an SPF, we've got the Sunday Riley Vitamin C Brightening Cream, and we've got the Sol de Janeiro Body Scrub. Right. Okay. So let's bring over the giveaway box. So the giveaway is, as I said, I try and do this every month if I can, if I've got enough items to generate to provide a giveaway. It's usually just for UK and EU. When I'm doing a more big substantial giveaway, then I'll make it international, but this one, it's just UK and Europe only. It's only because of postage costs. It can be quite extensive. So this is the box the giveaway is going to come in. I'm just going to show you briefly what is inside the box. So you just saw the latest 3 things I've put in there. So you've got the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Brightening Cream. You've got the Sol de Janeiro Body Scrub, FAMBAM Body Scrub. We've got the Lancaster SPF little cream there. Then this was something that came in last month's Glossybox, and it's the Brave New Hair 101 Humectant Hair Booster Moisture and Repair 5-in-1 multi-use product. So there's that. Then stuff. This came in an Ipsy Glam bag, which would have been May's Ipsy Glam bag, and this was an eyeshadow palette from Lovecraft Beauty. So there you go, you can see that it's a eyeshadow palette. This also came in May or April Ipsy Glam bag. This is from Shayna B Miami, but I think it was a duo eyeshadow palette. Let's show you this. Ooh. Can I open it? There you go. So it's those 2 colours. What this is missing is brushes. And I'm just thinking, have I got any brushes that I can put in here? Because you've got 2 eyeshadow things there and there's no brushes. We've got a little sample of the NARS Orgasm Blush. So let me show you that. I mean, everybody's got this. I mean, it's only a tiny thing, but blushes last forever, don't they? They last for ages. Oops, daisy, I just dropped the thing. So that's the NARS Orgasm Blush. Then we've got from Ren Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Again, this is like a travel size of this. I think I mentioned this in the video when I did this. I've had this twice, full size. For me, it didn't quite work for me because I said I do like, I don't know why this is all topic. Honestly, this outfit, I managed to drop foundation on this morning, and I didn't even wear the foundation in the end. Look. So I've just been some kind of hiding at the camera there, but I haven't got the zip up because I'm a mess, right? I went to the toilet earlier. This is an all-in-one sort of a jumpsuit thing. I tend to wear jumpsuits, so it's an all-in-one jumpsuit. And I went to the toilet just before I sort of came on camera, and I haven't done the zip up properly at the back, so that's why it's kind of falling down. I'm a mess, I'm sorry. I went to pick up my mum from Heathrow Airport this morning. Her flight came in. So, oh god, her flight landed at what, 12:15? It landed early. It's supposed to be 12:15. It landed early. Landed at 12 o'clock. And it took ages for her to come through. You can see all these people come through, and I'm starting to worry. So basically, in the end, she called through and she said, "Oh, one of her suitcases is missing." I was like, "Oh, for crying out loud!" Look, there, bloody ages. Like, what's going on? What's wrong? So yeah, basically, her suitcase went on the wrong belt. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I had that whole drive and everything. So there you go. So anyway, so this is the cleansing jelly, is what I'm basically saying. So this is from Rem. You might enjoy it. Personally, I didn't enjoy it, but there you go. This also came in the Glossybox last month, and I believe it was a sample, it's a freebie. It's from Cetaphil, some moisturising cream. This came in probably a Glossybox again. I don't know if it was, I don't think it was June's Glossybox. I think this was May's Glossybox, and this is from Monia Skin Firming Fiji Facial Oil. I know quite a few people seem to enjoy this product. I'm not a big fan of the Monia Skin brand, and I don't need a facial oil for firming and stuff. My face is oily. I don't need any more oils unless I really need to, for whatever reason, but I don't need it. But yeah. Saying that though, I'm saying that I'm not that fond of Monia Skin. I got a Monia Skin facial balm in a box recently, sometime this year, and I've been using it as a quick moisturizer in the morning, especially if I don't put on my SPF and I don't want to open anything else. I've been using it. So, but then I've been using it on my face, I've been using it on my hands, so you know, using it everywhere. This also came in the Glossybox last month, and this is from Mine Facial Tan Mist. So obviously I wasn't going to use this because I don't need to tan, clearly. This came in an Ipsy Glam bag, April or May, and this is from Pear Nova, and it's a lip liner in a sort of rosy pink colour. So this is that, can you see that? There you go, so there's that. And then finally, this also came in an Ipsy Glam bag. So, and this is from Pink Lips, and it's a loose setting powder in banana. So it's sealed like that. So those are the items in my giveaway. Let's put those all back in here carefully. So forget that. Right, now let's do it. So I have put everybody's names in there, so all those people in there, and I've basically just given you all a number, and I think it was 15 people in the end that could enter this giveaway. So they're public subscribers, and I've put all their names in there. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to swish the paper around, and then what I'd like to do, I'm going to pick out the name here. I'm going to put under the original video that you've won. But if the person who has won this, whose name I announce, if you can contact me on Instagram, yeah, so on Instagram it's very simple, just direct message me, Sussex Sandra, very easy, just to say you're the winner, and then I will set you a little task so I can confirm that it is you here is picking it up. Many of the people who are actually whose names are in here I've had contact with before, so it'll be quite easy for me to contact you on Instagram because I've verified who you are before. But there are a couple of new names in here, people who I haven't contacted before. Right, okay, I am just gonna pick a name out. Right, so we've got one here, and who have we got here? We have got number 13, Jodie Cataldo. So Jodie Cataldo's been a subscriber of mine for quite a while, actually. So Jodie, congratulations, you have won. Okay, so if you, Jodie, can contact me on Instagram, so DM me on Instagram, I will pick up your message and I will set you a little task. It's going to be something like, I want you to write something under your original comment in the video. It'll be something along that. I might ask you to do it in this video, and then I'll confirm that it's you, and then I'll get back in touch with you and ask you for your postal address, and depending on when you get in touch with me, I will post it. I tend to do my postings on Saturday, so if you somehow get in touch with me today, which would be great, because I am going to be at the post office tomorrow because I've got to post something for my daughter, student loans, all that sort of stuff, so I'll post that off. So I will be at the post office tomorrow, and the next time I'll be posting will be Saturday, so depending on when you're thing, and then I will post this off to you. So congratulations to you, Jodie. Yay. Okay, so we're in the month of July. What's coming up this month? I've got my June subscription boxes, American subscription boxes. They are actually in the UK because I paid the little customs charge for it yesterday, so they're here, so hopefully I'll be getting that in the next couple of days. I know Look Fantastic is coming because they've told me that Royal Mail has got my parcel. I know Glossybox is coming, which is coming very soon, so I should be getting those boxes in the next couple of days. And then the eyeshadow declutter is coming, I promise. I've actually started mentally organising how I'm going to do it now, so I just need to physically do it. Do you ever do that? Do you actually sort of plan things in your head first before you actually do it? That's what I've been doing. So that is coming, and it's going to be either end of this week or next week. I promise you. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Again, congratulations to Jodie, and thank you for all of you who entered my giveaway. Good luck next time, because there will be one. There'll be another giveaway for this month. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Give me a thumbs up on your way out. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. You know you want to. All right. Take care. Bye.